Diana, I'll never forgive you for not telling me that you married Aubrey. Why did you tell me that you married Aubrey?
But I didn't.
You didn't?
But you said,
Oh, what I said? It doesn't matter what I said.
but she'll tell everyone.
Of course she will.
But if it's not true,
It might be true.
but it's not, is it?
I thought it was.
But now, I don't know whether to believe you or not.
There will other people believe her, whether he like it.
What would he say about you?
He will say, I wish it were true.
And do you?
I do.
Have you found out since he left that you really love him?
Madly.
Shall I cable him to that?
I have already.
You haven't!
I have. I would marry him by proxy.
Have cocktail on that?
But when we tell people that you have married him by proxy, after Mrs. Packard has told them that you are married to him, what do people say?
What will people say? In any case, exactly what they choose.
What does the fox say? What the fox say?
No, dear.
Tumatawa si Hello!
Ayan po, so may kasalanan siya.
Alright, if I had to dine with 3 women, I'd better look like this.
Yes, my dear. Cock of the walk.
Ano ba?
Gumanon ako eh. Ha!
Game na. Oh, is it any good, Trump? Doing home nursing and releasing someone else to get...
Of course you don't see. Love is always blind.
Love? You haven't said about love.
What she.
I-bloopers mo yan.
Hindi ikaw! No! No! I never told them! Nasabi ko yun.
I never said shit. Wala na ako sa'yo.
Mura ka?
Diana, you are no under the blah. Diana, be careful. You are under no obligations to it.
So you know what she's going to say?
Ano no? So yun no.
Yun.
Bisaya.
Brilliant.
Opo. Last scene na namin to, ma.
9:01 PM na October 29, 2013.
Yes, oh.
Ito po kami,
Hala.
the last scene na.
Yes! Last scene na, ma.
Coming soon. You have cocktail on that?
But when we tell people that... What will people say? But when we tell people...
Siya po ang may salarin kung bakit nawala si Desio sa linya niya.
Kanina pa wala.
Curious ako sa kanila.
Siya po ulit ang may salarin kung ba't nawala si David sa kanyang linya. Siya po. Yan, siya.
Hala.